Welcome to our exploration of stunning Balinese-inspired architecture and interior design. In this journey, we will delve into the enchanting world of modern tropical homes that seamlessly blend with nature. Imagine stepping into a luxurious villa that boasts expansive gardens filled with vibrant flora, perfectly curated to create a tranquil oasis. The architectural design often features traditional Balinese elements, such as thatched roofs and intricate wooden carvings, harmonizing beautifully with contemporary aesthetics. As we move inside, natural light floods the spacious living areas, accentuated by open floor plans that invite the outdoors in. The interiors are adorned with a mix of modern furnishings and traditional Balinese decor, creating a sense of elegance and comfort. Each room is thoughtfully designed to provide breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape, from serene bedrooms to inviting living spaces. The heart of these homes often lies in their outdoor areas. Picture an inviting dining space surrounded by lush greenery, where meals are enjoyed under the stars. Or envision a Zen-inspired meditation nook, complete with soothing water features and calming natural materials, perfect for relaxation. With a focus on sustainability and a deep respect for nature, these modern Balinese homes offer not just a living space, but a lifestyle, one that celebrates beauty, tranquility, and harmony. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind this captivating design style and find inspiration for your own living spaces.